Okay, Andrew, we determined the statement.
Yes.
I put it up top there, which is the Cognos financial cubes takes too long to complete.
Yes.
So now I'm going to ask you certain questions, alright? So let's get a snapshot picture of what's happening here with this incident.
Okay, great.
What is the most specific thing we've got a problem with?
Okay, so that's the object, I guess, financial cubes.
The Cognos
financial cubes.
financial cubes, okay.
Yep.
Right. What other Cognos application could have had the same problem we're having right now, the same incident, but we don't?
Okay, well the admin cubes,
Yeah.
which are also part of Cognos, they complete on time every time.
So the admin
Yep. Admin
cubes,
are fine.
they are fine.
Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting. So these two columns are factual information.
Okay.
The third one, you're going to make use of your intuition, your experience regarding the situation. So tell me, why do you think we've got a problem with the Cognos application and the financial cubes application, and not the admin cubes application?
Well, my gut theory on that is a coding error.
A coding error?
Yeah.
All right. Any other ideas?
Yeah, I believe there were some system changes.
System
Cognos
changes?
system changes.
Okay, so system changes. Any others you can think of? Why that?
There was patches to the database.
So database patches?
Yeah. And we're also wondering about user load, like the volume of users.
So volume or user load.
Yeah.
Okay, good. That sounds fantastic. Let's look at the second question, because that's part of our statement as well.
Okay.
And that is, what is the fault we are experiencing?
Okay, so
Takes too long to complete. So number two is takes too long to complete.
Yeah.
Okay, now, what other type of fault could we have had with these financial cubes application that we don't have this time?
Well, they could have been incomplete.
Okay, incomplete, not completing at all?
Yep.
Incomplete. Anything else you can think of?
They could have failed with an error or something. And they're not freezing.
Failed or freezing. Okay,
Yeah.
good, that's good. All right. Based on your experience, gut feel, why do you think we have a situation where it's taking too long to complete instead of not completing at all, or failing, or freezing?
Network load.
Network load, okay.
Yep.
So network load. Any other ideas you have?
Just data volume.
Data volume.
Yeah.
Data.
It's the same thing. Well, the server is really busy. The server being too busy to process it.
Server busy with processing. Okay, let's have a look at question 3. Question 3 is all about now the users. Which users that's using this specific application are having this incident, are experiencing this incident?
That's the business users.
So the business, alright, so which is basically the internet client.
They report this problem all the time.
Okay. So which other users using the exact same application don't have a problem?
Well, the IT accounting users, the administration staff there, don't have this issue.
Okay. Now, why do you think, in your opinion, does business have a problem, IT accounting doesn't have a problem?
Could be an operator error.
So it's like a training issue, hey? Operator error?
Could be some sort of training issue, maybe or maybe it's the client software is different. So software versions.
Right. Software version.
Yeah.
Right. Any other ideas?
No,
That
I
it?
can't think of anything else.
Okay. Let's look at question number 4. Question number 4 is all about geographic location. Geographically, on this world where we operate, do we see this problem, this incident occurring in our business?
Well, as you know, we're a global company. We see this problem in Australia and New Zealand.
So Australia and New Zealand.
Yeah.
Where else do we operate where they use the same application but don't have a problem?
Well, we don't see it in UK or USA.
So the whole of the UK and the whole of the USA?
Yeah.
We've got a few operations there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So why do we see this problem occurring with the Australia and New Zealand, not with the UK or the USA?
Could be a LAN configuration issue.
So LAN config issue. Any other ideas?
the database syncing configuration, or database configuration itself. Or a router or network type of issue.
A router.
I need a network SME to help us with that.
Network issue.
Yeah.
Okay, alright.